Updates are underway. Please keep your computer on. So what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nivel123 and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the ASUS Vivobook Pro 15 K3500 PC /L111W. It has an Intel Core i7 113070H with an RTX 3050 GPU along with 16GB of RAM and a 1TB PCIe SSD 3.0, which is faster than PCIe 2.0 in terms of read and write speeds. So let's get right to it. Okay, let's open this box. As you can see here, it says the Vivobook Plus environment. And here we have the laptop itself. It says here the best ASUS OLED laptop for creators. So I'm going to take it out carefully from the box and place it here. And here we have some a packet, presumably, if you say. Who's the, I don't think I can read this one. It says ASUS Vivobook and letter boy. Not sure what it is. Looks like it's just a bunch of stickers. So it should go inside. As you can see here, I forgot to show you, but I'm showing you now. This is the ASUS Vivobook. It says here hashtag wow the world. And here we have the user guide. Here. And here we have the quick start guide for the laptop. Very simple actually. It's just 2 pages. While this one is the full user guide. And here we have something, my ASUS. So it's premium service anytime. So this is the extended warranty that's included with the ASUS Vivobook Pro, and it says everything you need for perfect PC experience. I'm just going to set it aside here. Behind this box is the power cable and this ASUS wired mouse. And behind here is the power adapter, the actual power adapter. This is the AC adapter, so it plugs into your laptop like that. Let's unbox these accessories. Okay, before we get to the laptop, we'll have to unbox some accessories first. So as you can see, this is the AC adapter for the laptop. We should take it off like so. Okay, so we have successfully unboxed the AC adapter. Moving on, we have the wired mouse that is included in the package. It's very comfortable, I should say. It's optical. It's not bad for built-in accessories. And here we have the power cable. There you go. Let's get to the laptop. Okay, so now we're going to uncover this laptop from its packaging. Here, as we open the laptop in 3, 2, 1. here you go. As you can see, the screen is very shiny. Let's get this charged up and set it up for the first time. Okay, so we're going to turn on the PC using this power button here. We just press it and it says ASUS in search of incredible, and there you go, English United States. Yes, this is running Windows 11 by the way, and no, yes, it's the right method. Okay, it's the US keyboard. Skip. Okay, let's connect you to a network. Connect. You don't need to see this. Next is verifying and connecting. Yes, it's secured, and next. Okay, so it's checking for updates. By the way, Windows 11 is the most infamous Windows yet, because you cannot upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 if you're using an 8th generation Intel Core i7 or lower, because you need the TPM 2.0. That's a requirement needed to run, because this has a TPM chip in it. You cannot run Windows 11 if you do not have that TPM chip. Microsoft said that they wanted to improve security so that they don't want malware and all the other things to infect your PC. So that's why Windows has added the protection. So for those of you who don't have an 8th generation CPU or later, or Ryzen, I'm not familiar with AMD, so AMD Ryzen or newer Ryzen 2 probably, you have to upgrade to another PC. You have to upgrade your PC, because you have to. Your PC doesn't have TPM 2.0. So Microsoft essentially said that they are going to support Windows 10 until 2025. So that's plenty of time before you can get a new PC like I did. Okay, so here we have the license agreement. Accept. Okay, so it says you have to add your Microsoft account. I'll do it later. So fingerprint, yeah, so I think there is a fingerprint sensor somewhere. Okay, so the fingerprint sensor is located here. That's it, you're all set. Nice. Next. This is the first time I'm using a fingerprint sensor on a Windows laptop. I've never done this before. So create pin and choose privacy settings. Yeah, accept. No, I already have a Microsoft Office 2021 subscription with me. I don't need the free trial of 365. So it's checking for updates again. I thought I just updated just now. Meet Windows 11. So take a peek at some of the new things we think you'll love. This will take a while, and we restart your PC once everything's ready. Let's see, it's updating. I want to tell you some features of this laptop. So it's a 15.6 inch FHD OLED display. So it's a 1920 by 1080 FHD resolution. It has a P3 color gamut, and it has a dual fan cooling system with ASUS Ice Cool Plus with thermal technology. And as you can see here, it has 2 fans, and it has a high capacity battery, and the one touch login which the fingerprint sensor is here, and it has a webcam shield for instant privacy. As you can see here, here's the webcam. If I open it, there you go, the webcam is open. So that's a pretty neat feature. The ASUS Vivobook Pro has a USB 4 output, a Thunderbolt 4 USB-C output, And Thunderbolt 4 is much faster than Thunderbolt 3. It's like so much faster, and has a micro SD card reader, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, and USB 2.0 ports as well as an HDMI port as well. So this laptop has lots of features which are useful, and as you can see by now, it uses an OLED screen, so it is much clearer and much crystal clear. Even though it's 1920 by 1080 resolution, it's still a nice screen. And the fact that it has an RTX 3050 GPU inside this laptop, that is really impressive. As you can see here, Intel Go i7 with RTX 3050 and Pantone validated. So let's sit here and wait for this update to finish. Okay, so the laptop has just restarted and is probably booting into the setup. Updates are underway. Please keep your computer on. So updates are not finished yet. Maybe it might finish soon. Oh, 35% there. This is going to take a long time, so I'll be right back. Okay, it has just booted into the desktop, and I'll type my password real quick. Hi, getting things ready for you. Okay, so this might take a few minutes and you should not turn off your PC. So I'll see you soon. As you can see here, it has an 11th Gen Core i7, 16 gigabytes, NVMe and MediaTek Wi-Fi, and an RTX 3050 laptop GPU. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment on how should I improve my video below, and I'll see you guys later in the next video.